Hi, Billy Mays here with sweet patina sauce. Y'all know we've been working the hell out of the old girl Edna right here.
What are you doing?
You know what I'm doing? That baby's slicker than a fresh earthworm right there. Warning, we're just having fun. If you take stuff too serious, this channel may not be for you, buddy. Is your G-Wagon filthy as can be? Yeah. Are you tired of everyone telling you to wash that damn thing? Uh-huh. Do you like stuff to have a little bit of shine in your life? I sure do. Do you want this thing to shine like a diamond? Who wouldn't? You want this baby to look sweeter than a hot fudge sundae? Of course. Do you want this baby slicker than full synthetic blend? Tell me more. Well, what you need, friend, is the patina sauce by Sweet Patina. Y'all know we've been working the hell out of the old girl Edna right here. We've been towing, we've been rowing, and hopefully nothing I built's been bowing. Look at the tripod. Still covered in mud from going mudding the other day with the tow roller. Tripod rode like a trooper. Yeah, she's looking pretty pitiful. Got a birthday coming up this weekend, and we can't have Edna looking sloppy. Birthday party this weekend, everyone's invited. I tell Ashley we're having a little get together and 33,000 subscribers show up. Just playing, y'all's not invited. I want to get this thing cleaned up, and yeah, she needs another coat of patina sauce. Now, it is kind of dark out this morning. I don't know that the local car wash has lights in their bays, but this thing could definitely use a good foam brushing real quick. Just in case y'all ever wondered what it feels like to drive a rocket ship. Maybe we'll wash the mud off that tripod. I was trying to get this done where I could get it back in the shop and let it dry, and it's already raining. Rain's supposed to quit in a couple hours. Here comes the just clear coat it comments. That thing just needs a coat of clear. No. Not my thing. It looks, I don't know how to describe it. I don't like it, okay? Like, clear coat your own damn car. It would look just like that if you just clear coat it. I'm gonna take the air, kind of blow this thing down, turn the ceiling fan on, and it can sit in here in the morning and dry. And here in a couple hours, we're gonna get saucy. 3 hours later, still just as wet. All right, folks, and welcome back to Puddin's Shine It, Wine It, and Dine It. For today, we're gonna show you how to put some lipstick on a pig. Dried it off. You don't want no water left on this. And I know I've made videos showing y'all before. Put a little on the rag, spread it, a little goes a long ways. Then we're gonna go over some of the benefits of this bad stuff right here called sweet patina sauce. The main benefit is the smell. Man, I love this stuff. Yeah, so you basically have 30 minutes of this where you're gonna go around and wipe this down, make her shiny like a hiney. Hi, Billy Mays here with sweet patina sauce. Rest in peace, Billy Mays. Longest part of this process for me is the roof. Heavy rust, this stuff's hard to rub on. Now, like down the side of the vehicle, you can do that thing in a minute or two. Basically, the time that crap sat up there on the roof, it was long enough that this stuff is set up well enough that now I'm gonna take a dry chamois, whammy, ShamWow, microfiber, and first I'm gonna go over all the trim and door handles in case there's any on it. We don't want it to stay on it. And then you just do a light wipe down on the whole vehicle. It's that easy, folks. Be wiping it down like Michael. Michael Jackson. Billy Mays, Michael Jackson. Name two greater celebrities than them. Michael Jackson and Billy Mays should have worked together. Hi, Billy Mays here with Michael Jackson's new product, Kitty Shoot. With this amazing product, you just strap it to the back of your kid so when you drop it off of a balcony, it can safely make it to the ground. All right, pretty much it. Let this baby sit. The stuff does kind of dull out. It don't say so glossy, but it looks good. I put it on about every 4 months. Now, it's got all kinds of benefits. You can find it at sweetpatina.com and read about it yourself. And if you're there and you just so happen to choose to buy some, you can use that promo code that's on the screen, also known as a promo code. It's right there. Also, man, if you just got that old car running and you want to get something else running, it's an aphrodisiac. So by the time you get done wiping down that old ride with that sweet patina, you'll be ready to go in the house and give your wife that old sweet pawinner. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry. That is not true. It is not aphrodisiac or whatever. I was just trying to sell it. I'm gonna clean up these wheels and tires, and here in a little bit we'll roll her outside when I know the rain's gone for good, and we'll do a walk around. And yeah, they have all kinds of cleaning products, so it's not just patina sauce. He's got the degreasers, he's got the cleaners, he's got the detailing sprays. Just go check it all out. I need to come up with some tire foam. I love tire foam. Yummy on that one, buddy. I almost called you Sweet Buddy. Sweet Patina, Sweet Buddy, Buddy, Sweet Patina. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Edna, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Edna? You've been cleaned by a smooth pudding. I'm so sorry y'all had to hear me sing. He's always busy.
This is Blake.
Hey.
Hello.
Is this Jeremy's Mule Barns head jackass speaking?
What are you doing?
You know what I'm doing. Have you thought about doing a tire foam?
Like an actual foam?
Yeah, like the aerosol cans that you just spray on, no touch stuff.
No, I have a tire shiner.
Oh, well if it ain't the foam, and I ain't using it.
Yeah, I know the foam was always my go-to.
Man, it's so nice. All right, man. I'll holler at you later.
Get you back. All right, bye.
I don't think we're gonna get the tire foam. What if we just rebrand? What if we just put your shrink your label onto here? I mean, dollar store stuff works good. Family Dollar. Now I'm running behind to get beautiful for award ceremony, so we'll be back. There you have it, baby. Look at that girl out in the sun. She looks smoother than Michael Jackson's moonwalk. That baby slicker than a fresh earthworm right there. Look at that sheen, look at that shine. I bet she even looks good from behind, baby. You damn right. Well, that's it. It's quick and simple. I know y'all seen some patina sauce videos I've done, but you know what? I've got a promo code now, so I'm trying to do my part and do the promo. And I'm trying to get y'all to do y'all's part and use that code. So I hope you enjoyed. Quick, simple, it's really good stuff. All of this stuff's good. I'm on Instagram at Puddin's Fab Shop. If you want anything, it's at sweetpatina.com. Ding! And I will see you guys next time. But don't forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. Now I gotta clean up the old studio set here because we're going live this evening with old Mortsky from Mortsky Repair. We're gonna do some live Q&As. I don't know what we're doing. We're gonna do it though. We're gonna get it did. Oh, shit. She's a 2-door hardtop that's ready for a cruising, and she's got a big back seat that's ready for a bruising.